Vic Law is definitely the two-way players.
Oh, good defense.
Yep.
And a bit of striking it. And taking it all the way. Matsu in transition. Matsubaki wide open again.
That's his third.
Matsubaki with the drive. Shot clock down to 4. Vic Law saved the possession right there. And a rebound by Vic Law. Pushing it all the way, pulling it up. Staring at timeout late Durham. A second warning should result in a foul. Durham using the cross screen. Number J. Wide open. Newsom trying to prevent Vic Law from scoring. At the buzzer.
And one.
Even if the Bolts switched, they're rarely patient.
He knows, how physical the FIBA basketball is. He missed so many bunnies today.
Yeah, that was his 14th shot, but only 4 baskets made. But Vic Law, another star.
Yeah, he can create his own shots. So.
Yeah, carrying his team during this time.
Yeah, I think he's a good block by Low.
They want to keep Low on Kennedy.
Yeah.
To shut him down. They need height to. Ball goes to Arakawa. Coke pick and roll. Vic Law.
He is one.
Over Kennedy. Yep.
Finally, he had the chance to score.
Vic Law pushing. Somebody's got to stop him. They don't. Dishes off. Bolts didn't look like they were in sync. Durham was the pass inside.
Nice move by Park.
Vic Law recognizing that. Again, great recognition.
Yeah.
And as he said, laying it up on the other end of the basket, using the rim as a shield, and Kwame couldn't even jump. Oh, Kennedy gave it up to Durham. Vic Law strikes at it, and that is end of the game.